The fourth thing is to exploit the home page. Our home page seems to be very busy, but it's got a tremendous amount of information there, and it can help you a lot. So let's go ahead to the next slide. It's my belief that all the information you need to make money with VectorVest is on the home page. And Jim Penna gave a presentation here on the power of the home page. I hope you had a chance to see that. But I like it because you have the color guard on there, and you have the top 5 VST vector stocks. You can get the top Midas Touch stocks, with their high momentum stocks. You can get industries, business sectors. You can get all kinds of stuff right on the home page. So you don't have to, bounce all over the product to see what's going on or pick a stock that you like. And if you really want to, you could limit your activities strictly to the home page and still do quite well if you read the views.